cream maker, cake pop maker, and easy bake oven. So you can make us all our food.
Hey, I need some help with it.
And then Lincoln has some presents.
Yeah.
Leah,
Oh, yeah.
okay, I just need your face.
I can't wait to make all of this.
Wow.
I can make everyone treats. Even for the juice. You can have all three of them.
Yeah?
Yeah. Thanks to this little baby.
Man, look at that. Oh, man. Yep, and there's another train.
Now
This
we
one
are
isn't
doing
comic.
three.
This is,
Go shop for.
Remius.
Hey,
Yep.
all we're gonna do is gonna go shop for these things.
You know, stuff to make them.
Yeah. You wanna buy those?
Oh, is this a
Uh huh.
Oh my gosh!
Is this the one you can make macaroni and cheese?